5. Memory of computer. Chapter Focus. Definition of computer memory. Difference between RAM and ROM. Unit of memory measurement in computer. Computer has a memory to store the work, the data, instructions or temporary results. Memory refers to data storage capacity of computers. The CPU also contains a memory unit which is called primary storage or main memory, where all the data is stored. Computer memory. Computer memory is a physical device capable of storing information temporarily or permanently. It works just like a human brain. It is used to store data and instructions. It stores data to be processed, instructions required for processing, and data which has already been processed by the processor. Computer memory can be broadly categorized into two types. Computer memory: internal memory, external memory, RAM, ROM, hard disk, CD-ROM, floppy disk, pen drive. Internal memory. Internal memory is also called main memory or primary memory. Internal memory is attached inside the computer. Main memory is used to process data in the computer. Size of the main memory determines the data that can be executed at one time. Size of the main memory can be increased as per your requirement. Types of internal memory. There are two types of internal memory. They are 1. RAM, 2. ROM. RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is primary or main memory that can be read and write. A computer cannot work without the primary memory. RAM is volatile memory. It loses its contents when power is switched off. RAM is used to store files temporarily. ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. It is a memory that can be read-only. We cannot write anything on it. The information in such memories is stored permanently during manufacture. ROM is a non-volatile memory. It does not lose its content when power is switched off. ROM is used when computer begins to boot up. External memory. External memory, also called secondary memory, can store the data permanently. Data on it can be changed at any time as per requirement. The data saved in external memory cannot be lost when power is switched off. Some examples of secondary memory are hard disk, floppy disk, CD-ROM, pen drive, etc. Units of memory measurement in computer. Memory of computer is measured in bits and bytes. Increase in number of memory bytes in computer increases the storage capacity. The smallest and most commonly measured units in computer is bit. Bits means binary digits. It is in the form of 0 and 1, representing a passive or an active state of a component in an electric circuit. Some units are 4 bits equals to 1 nibble, 8 bits equals to 1 byte, 1024 byte equals to 1 kilobyte KB, 1024 KB equals to 1 megabyte MB, 1024 MB equals to 1 gigabyte GB, 1024 GB equals to 1 terabyte TB, 1024 TB equals to 1 petabyte PB. Do you know? A group of 8 bits is a byte. Byte. A byte is a unit of data that is a group of 8 bits. A byte is the unit which is used to represent a character such as a letter, number or symbol. Let us discuss about the values of byte. 4 bits equals to 1 nibble. 8 bits equals to 1 byte. 1 kilobyte equals to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte equals to 10,48,576 bytes. 1 gigabyte equals to 1,73,741,824 bytes. 1 terabyte equals to 1,99,511,627,776 bytes. Points to remember. Computer memory is a physical device capable of storing information temporarily or permanently. Computer memory are of two types, internal memory and external memory. Internal memory are of two types, RAM and ROM. Internal memory is called main memory, whereas external memory is called secondary memory. Bit is the short form of binary digit, which is the smallest unit of data in a computer. A byte is a group of 8 bits.